Okay, we have an isosceles right angle triangle with hypotenuse BC ABC. So let me just draw that. So let's say this is a right angle triangle. It's isosceles also, so these two are equal. BQC be a semicircle away from A. Okay, so BC is the diameter, but away from A implies something like this. So this is, let's say, the semicircle. I mean, if it were towards A, then it would pass through A. So because it's a 90 degree. But anyhow, so this is 90 degree. And with diameter BC, of course, BQC semicircle, that's what it implies. Let BPC be an arc of a circle centered at A. Okay, so if the center is at A and BPC is the arc, so that's a quadrant, right? So this is a quadrant of a circle. So let's say this is BPC and this is BQC. I'm just randomly writing 2 points here. And we are looking for a line between BC and BQC. So obviously that is very obvious. I mean, BPC is an arc centered at A, so it has to move like this. It cannot go like this. I mean, you cannot have a quadrant, a circle like this and center here, right? I mean, that is very silly. But anyhow, that was just for convenience. That information is given. Let's okay. Come back to this. Yeah. So if AB has length 6 centimeter. Okay. So now we know this is 6. So this is 6. So the hypotenuse 6 √2 anyhow. We are looking for the region enclosed area of the region enclosed in between BPC and BQC. So this area, right? Now, how to figure out this area? So let's do it in this way. First of all, let me take the, sorry, that's too much taken off. 6 and 6, right? Yeah. So first, let me consider the area of the semicircle. So area of the semicircle BQC. Now, the semicircle has 6 √2 as the diameter here. So the radius is 3 √2. So that will have an area. So the semicircle has an area. So I'm just writing it in this way. The radius is 3 √2. So that will be 3 √2 square into pi by 2 because it's a semicircle. So pi r square by 2. Now, if once I've done that, I've added this entire area, right? I've included this entire area. Now, I can utilize this area of the quadrant, but for that, I need to include the area of this triangle also. Now, this triangle is a right angled. So this area of this triangle ABC here is simply half into 6 into 6, right? So if I add these two, now the entire area is obtained, right? So I get all of this area. From this, if I basically subtract this area of this quadrant here, and that will have an area of, so let's say BPC. Let me write it as ABPC. So that will be more, if, accurate. So this area of this ABPC, this area is basically this has a radius of 6, so 6 square pi by 4 because this is a quadrant. So we need to subtract this area, right? So once we subtract it, then we are obviously left with this required area. So the required area will be simply the difference of all of this. Now just let me look at the pi things. So this is 3 square into 2 divided by 2, so the 2 cancels off, so this goes off, so this is 9 pi, right? And in this case you have 36 by 4, that is also 9 pi. So basically now what I know is these two will cancel out, so the area will be simply the area of the triangle ABC. So the area of the triangle ABC is half into 6 into 6, which is nothing but 18. So the answer is option B here. So just visualize this properly. There's nothing much to do. You need to draw the diagram appropriately. So take some time to do that. Don't just make an assumption because that might lead to an incorrect answer. So in this case, just draw the diagram properly and try to visualize how can we figure out the required area in the best possible manner. So that's it for this question. I hope that was understood to all of you. The required time to solve, the ideal time to solve would be somewhere in the range of 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. I'm leaving a wider range in this case. The only reason being it depends on a little bit of comfortability of these kind of questions. I know that if I have to find the area of this enclosed part, I can utilize the areas of the other regions that I can figure out. If you know that idea, you will be able to solve it in 1.5 minutes. If not, it might take a bit of time to figure that out. Or maybe, unfortunately, you would not be able to solve this. But then this is the ideal time to solve. So that is it for this question. Thank you.